Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you would like to use your Uber Eats gift card or simply some Uber Eats promo code, today's video I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. So first and foremost, make sure that you have this application in your device and that you are logged into your account. Now in here, let's go ahead and add some items so that we will be able to view the promo code and the gift card options. In my case, I already have something that I would like to check out. So I'm going to select my view card button, but you can also add some fresh items. Now let's go ahead and select go to checkout. Once you're on the checkout page, you will see payment methods. Make sure that you have added some payment method. That could be a PayPal or your bank details. In here, you will see voucher. Select add voucher code. If it's promo code, go ahead and paste it right here. If it's gift card, select add payment method, select gift card, enter the gift card here, select save, and then go ahead and go about using it. So guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.